Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a mystery box from Fashionista. Is that how you say it? Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So I had a few of you guys a little while ago comment and tell me to look into a new box from Fashionista called The Box, but it's like says Fashionsta. The I's not in there, so I'm not sure how you say that. But there's a waiting list. So I've been on the waiting list for a while, but I did see when I was looking them up that they had a mystery box. The mystery box was $50, 5 name brand products. So I actually sent them an email and I was like, hey, I'm interested in your mystery box, but it doesn't have any information. Can you please tell me what is involved? Because all it said was 5 name brand products for $50. And under details, it just says, we've dug deep into our Fashionista vault and put together an awesome mystery box for just $50. Our highly sought after mystery box is now on sale, but it was $50. It wasn't on sale, so they might want to edit that part unless $50 is the sale. The only thing that's not a mystery is how much you'll love this box. Each box contains 5 branded glam items. Multiply the surprise with multiple brands you'll love. Final sale, non-refundable, ships in 5 days or less. So I'm like, well, what kind of items do you get in there? I'm a little confused. It doesn't really go over a whole lot. And the picture on here, it looks like a big box. $50. And I'm like, cool, that's gonna be a big thing. Well, it came in this box. Well, it came in a brown box, and I opened up the brown box and this is what was inside. So I'm like, well, let's see. So let's go ahead and see what is in here and see if this was worth $50. So there's a lot of black little squigglies and it says, control your fears, highlight your dreams, lash out for beauty. That's cute. Oh, contour your feels, not control. Contour your fears, highlight your dreams, lash out for beauty. That's actually really cute. Okay, so let's see what is in here. So right on top is a mini plus makeup eraser. Erase all makeup with just water. This looks like an eraser package. Have you guys used this? Does this even really work? I've tried something similar, which I think what this is, and it didn't really work for me, so I ended up throwing it away. But this says the #1 reusable makeup removal system in the world. So you guys let me know, does this really work? Have any of you guys seen this, heard of it, used it? Let me know. So there's item #1. So let's see what other 4 items we have in here. Okay, all right. So the next item is Salt by Hendrix. Salt Scent Luxe Bohemia Organic Perfume Oil. Hey, I'm vegan. We love plants. Okay, so let's see what this is. Salt, huh? Okay, so there's the packaging, and you see some flower botanicals inside. Let's see here. I don't really smell anything there. It kind of smells like lemon essential oil. That's what it smells like to me. It smells like lemon essential oils. Let me see. We like to know what we are putting into our body. It is what we do and love. Know you are going to smell like sunshine and roses, but do it with a conscience. Our organic oils smell amazing, but are full of organic nutrients and vitamins. This product is not suitable during pregnancy. Okay, good thing I'm not pregnant, but why? I wonder what's in here. And the smell's almost already gone. Yeah, I don't even smell it anymore. Okay, so that's a little disappointing in that item. I don't know what in the world that's supposed to do. It just left it like an oily feeling like on my wrist, and the scent is already gone. So That's disappointing. Next we have in here is Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. I don't do liquid and it's dark brown, and I definitely don't do browns. So let's just see what it looks like, and I'm not gonna open it because I am going to put it in a future giveaway. So it's just this little, I mean, I guess it's an average size, but it's a liquid dark brown eyeliner. Okay, so there's item number 3. Then we have Lime Crime. And this looks like a liquid lip. Gumdrop looks like the color. There's the packaging in the package. And then let's get this opened. That's really cute. Look at the top, has like a little bear. And it's like a soft material. That's a cute package. Let's swatch it and see what we have here. Ooh, that is definitely dark. Oh, but it's not, it's like a, you can kind of see through it. So it's not, it kind of smells good. I always smell everything. Gumdrop. I don't know, it's like very patchy, so it's not like it's a, what in the world? Oh, here, let me try to put it on, see what it looks like. It's like very watery. So it was like a very, very watery, and it like took forever to dry down, and I had to reapply it a couple times. Now it seems like it looks a lot better than, like, see, look how this dried down. It's like all patchy. Have you guys tried this formula before? Is this how it's supposed to be? Or, because I've never really tried Lime Crime, especially like this type of formula. I think it kind of looks cute with what I'm wearing right now, but I just don't know about this little patchiness here. So you guys let me know, like, is that normal? Is that normal? But this is Gumdrop. So there's number 4. And the last item in here is this guy right here, Kevin O'Quan. I'm not quite sure if that's how you say it, but it says the Celestial Skin Liquid Lighting Highlighter in Starlight. So there's the name. I don't know if it'll focus on it, but it looks like it's like a Kevin O'Quan, and it's Starlight. I don't know, let's see. Very pretty packaging. That is very pretty. Let's see what this, it comes with like a little cover. It looks like over the thing. Ew, like gross. Is it supposed to just be all like that? Like, ew. I mean, are you supposed to shake it first? I've never seen this product, or like, really? Nope, that's just as runny. See the next one going down? Wow, that is runny. I mean, the whole inside of my hand is a little like glowy, so let me try to put a little tiny dab on the top of my hand, because that whole thing was bad on my inside. I don't know, maybe I'm just not used to liquid highlighters, but there's that. Next to my patchy swatch. They go hand in hand. Like, what in the world? Okay, so what do you guys think? Again, this was $50. Five items, $50 each. That would make it like $10 a product, which I can see that probably these are over $10 a product, but I would have thought, this is just me, I would have thought that we would have had better products for the 5 products for $50. Again, that's just me, but let me go ahead and pause for a second. I'm gonna go on each individual store's website and see what these items sell for. So then we can make our final decision. Hold on. Okay, you guys, so I did my research, and this liquid eyeliner, the Stila, this is $22. The Lime Crime, this is normally $20, but it's on sale right now for $12. Salt by Hendrix, there's no scent whatsoever. Now, this is $29. I definitely do not think this is worth it because it doesn't even still smell. If it's supposed to be a perfume oil, no, you just left my wrist oily and there's no scent. It actually doesn't even, yeah, no. Then this highlighter situation here that just says, is $52. $52. This little eraser guy here is $15 on their website. So again, I went to each individual's website. I didn't try to find them like on cheaper stores or eBay or Amazon or anything like that. I just went directly to their site just to see what they actually sell it for. And everything all together then would be $130 value. So I definitely got my money's worth, but are these good enough products to consider it being good for $50? That part I'm on the fence with, and I would probably say almost no. I am not happy spending $50 on these 5 products. I know it's a mystery box. You get that in mystery boxes. You never know what you're going to get. That's a part of a mystery. But if they have their standard monthly box, it's going to be $19.90. I think it's like $19.99. It's like, let's just say $20. Why did I just pay $50 for these 5 items? Is just my thing. I'm just disappointed in what I received for the $50. Again, this being 50 something, then obviously it's definitely over, but I will never use this. No, and it's like not even really, I don't know. This is a little, I mean, I think that is pretty. Let's see what happens if I try to just take a little off. It does come off a little, but not entirely. Now it's kind of like dried down and it's patchy. So at least it finally did dry down. So, I mean, that's good. I mean, so I'll keep this color. This I'm going to put in a future giveaway. This I'm not going to use. I mean, it looks pretty. I might just have it sit on my vanity to look pretty, but it doesn't smell good. And even after a few minutes, what kind of smell it has goes away. So, and then you guys let me know about this. I don't know. I don't really use stuff like this because, like I said, I've tried one thing before and it didn't machine washable. Lasts for 3 to 5 years. Wait, what? Erase all makeup with just water. Waterproof mascara, eyeliner, foundation, and more. Reusable, machine washable, lasts for 3 to 5 years. Antibacterial. 3 to 5 years? There's a little QR scanner right here. I'm gonna go ahead and check that out because it says scan the QR code now, see how it works. So I'm going to do that and see how this works. But again, if you guys have used this, let me know. And definitely let me know, do you think this was worth $50? Would you be happy if you spent $50 on these 5 items right here? Because if I use this and this, what was that? This is 12 and this is 15. That's not even what I paid for. So it's a little disappointing. I'm glad that I purchased it so you guys can see it to know if you think it's worth buying or not. I just don't think I'll buy another one. that's for sure. And I was excited because it's from an actual store, like a company, not like Etsy or or eBay or anything like that. So I was actually thinking it was going to be a little bit more promising, but it's a little disappointed. But hey, you can't win them all. So definitely, guys, let me know. Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you'll see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.